Hello. Okay, let's do it. Sorry for my English. I try my best. Okay. Um, Torus, wireframe, division 3, and we need the angel. Yes. Divide 2 and yes, I think this is we only need the inner part. Okay, validate it. Top view, and then we need the cell mask, ellipse, and extracted shell 0, and we need only this part. We can scale it a little bit, and now you can choose a rotation angle. I choose 15 degrees. That's the angle of the spiral. And then we use the trim function, rectangular, like this. Oh, what happens? Hole filling is on, sorry. Hole filling off. And yes, like this. Gizmo back to the normal. And think move origin is good. We duplicate this and we have to this X flip the object, or X flip object, and I think we have to flip it again like this. Highlands. Top. Yeah, I think it's like this. And then simple merge, and I think now you know where it goes, like this. Duplicate, simple merge, and then you can extract the shell and yes, like this. Okay, have fun with sculpting, ciao.